thousands of university students can now apply for scholarships and loans after the Court of Appeal suspended a High Court ruling that had declared the government's new university funding model unconstitutional. The students will also get reprieve in accessing upkeep funds for their day-to-day usage while on campus under the new funding model. The court's decision now gives way to the placement body to open the portal for applications to join the institutions.
The government promised a fair and equitable funding model, but what we have is instead a situation where students are being burdened with financial situation.
The Ministry of Education can now begin the placement of over 246,000 candidates who attained a university entry mark. This is after the Court of Appeal cleared the way by lifting a High Court order that had declared the model illegal. The lack of an alternative financing system had left the government, students and parents in limbo. The Appellate Court has now directed the Attorney General, the Higher Education's Loans Board and the Placement Body to publicize the funding framework within 14 days and establish an appeals mechanism for students dissatisfied with their categorization under the model. They are also required to inform current and incoming students that the model may still be subject to change pending the final appeal decision. The mechanism for appeals by students will allow them to contest their categorization under the funding model. Last week, Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Ogamba assured that all qualified candidates will be placed and confirmed that the university application portal will be open by the end of March.
An organization went to court to challenge it, and in November last year there was a stay of that particular model, and then on the 20th of December the court nullified it. The current position with respect to the court case is that we have appealed that decision and applied for stay of those orders because we believe the basis upon which the decision was made was not sound.
The suspension of the funding model in February had led to protest among university students.
In my faculty, around 500 students have not reported in school. This is because of the new funding model.
Students from the University of Nairobi and Egerton University stormed HELB headquarters in Nairobi demanding their stipend.
We are going on the streets on Monday and the ball is on our court. We are bringing it to you and we are going to dribble past the government. There will be casualties and the casualty will be the new funding model down. Comrades, viva!
Viva!
Luis Nyaundi, KTN.
Moving